Iran from funneling arms to insurgents in Iraq, Lebanon, or to the Palestinians. Key Democratic presidential hopefuls spent the weekend at a forum focusing on health care issues, and that was all the more poignant given the fact that John Edwards was there with his wife Elizabeth, who is facing her own health care crisis. CNN's Sumi Das has more from the meeting in Las Vegas.
In the public eye for the first time, announcing his wife's cancer was back, Senator John Edwards made his determination clear.
I'm definitely in the race for the duration.
At a forum in Las Vegas, Edwards and other Democratic presidential candidates explained how they'd fix the health care system.
The idea is cover everybody, bring down health care costs for every single American, which this plan, I believe, will do, fill in the cracks in our health care system.
With grace and the occasional glance at his wife, John Edwards accepted words of support for his family, but tried to steer the focus back to his health agenda.
It's not right that a woman has to go through, or anybody has to go through, this kind of struggle and have to worry about whether they can afford the medicine they need, whether they can get the health care that they need.
Despite his efforts, the topic of Elizabeth's battle resurfaced, with sympathetic nods, even from the competition.
We all want to make sure to send our thoughts and prayers to Elizabeth and John Edwards, and I'm very impressed by Elizabeth's strength and optimism, and I'm looking forward to seeing both Elizabeth and John on the campaign trail.
A trail likely to crisscross the nation several times over. Mrs. Edwards has already predicted there will be days it could be draining. But at this forum, Elizabeth Edwards' smile was bright as she greeted her husband with a kiss and waved to the crowds and cameras. Sumi Das, CNN, Las Vegas.
At least a dozen Indiana counties are under flood warnings after days of heavy rain. The White River is moving